called and I was like, I want to make a reservation. I called way early. I was like, I want to make a reservation with you guys for New Year's Eve. Right? We want to have dinner and drinks and do New Year's at your bar. And they were like, cool. New Year's Eve for dinner. Cool. And we put it down and I was like, yes. I can't believe you had tables.
That game in the beginning, I hadn't really played a lot of horror games, and just going through the first few levels had this sense of I don't know what to expect. All I know is that people play this game and run and scream because it's so scary. So every moment of darkness was horrifying because I didn't want to go into it because I had no idea what was going on.
Because I feel like it's things that happen accidentally can be funny. Like when you talked about the different like ways that things are funny with. Like, accidents are funny, especially if everyone's okay. Jesus. It's like, whoops, oh that's funny, he fell down, whatever. These are funny. I feel like anyway to me. I'm thinking
going to Dunkin'. If I've gone and got coffee somewhere else, yeah, like it's just okay. All right. Cool. Yeah, that's pretty fucking early.
That's not the ass crack of dawn. It's just earlier than I would like, especially if I don't.
Well, fucking do it then, lady.
Oh!
You're running the red light. You might as well continue. Got a couple of them there. Yeah, it's like, okay.
Touche, M. Dot.
And then I have this fucking interaction. Okay. That's cute. Don't fucking, you're really gonna do this? Okay. Yeah, I'm saving you. The fuck? What an idiot. Whoa, dude, fuck. Bad. Yeah, hold your coffee up. Yep. Hi. Fucking horn didn't work. This is a two-way street, my guy. But it starts right there, so I understand why you got confused. Oh. Okay, what the hell? What are you doing?
At the light, turn right onto Massachusetts Avenue connector.
Doing it? Fucking do
In
it,
a quarter
dude.
mile, use the left lane to turn left onto Frontage Road.
Dude, fuck off.
93 North.
Dude. Yeah. Everything's old. Everything's old.
Everything's old.
Hi! Oh my god, dude.
Shouldn't be any compromise. Don't go back to that one doctor that uses your appointment to catch up on all those headlines. The crossword puzzles just because they're available right now, or take your slightly sketchy insurance. Instead, check out ZocDoc, the place where you can find and book doctors who make you comfortable. Prioritize your health.
You can stream, shop, chat, game, and work on all your devices, all at the same time. Now through May 14th, new customers can get Xfinity Gig Internet for only $30 a month for 12 months with no annual contract when you add one line of Xfinity Mobile Unlimited. For savings more than
Robert Half is here to help. At Robert Half, they know talent. Visit roberthalf.com today.
Dave and Chuck the Freak on Boston's Rock 92.9, driven by Town Fair Tire.
Hey.
Dave and Chuck the Freak.
That is an idiot.
It's you from the get-go. What do you mean?
That's not true. The subreddit's been on my side a lot over the years.
It's not anymore. How can you possibly try to spin this way?
If you guys want to come back, we have shot. Well, I didn't know, man. I apparently haven't checked in a minute.
I don't know what kind of blinders you put on.
Hi! Jesus, fuck.
Don't get it twisted, if you messing me, you gon' regret it. I ain't superstitious, I just see these pictures where your head is. And I'm still getting mad love like you playing tennis. Heard you wanted some tea? Well, I ain't spilling it. Paul Giamatti with blue faces to billions, rap game chameleons. We your favorite pop punk fan, favorite dark jam, I'm killing them. It's a fact, we go all out, boy. These other rappers are relevant, they should fall out, boy. Y'all stop them, Patrick, I hit the gas quick.
And then you see the video evidence that they finally got, and it looks like he started to drive away, and the dude ran after him, and then put his arm out. That's it. That's it, it looks like.
No idea what I wanted for a career. My ex and I had a house. We had 2 dogs. We had like this life plan. We were 6 months out from a wedding. We had actually a wedding plan. We were 6 months away from the wedding. Like we broke up. I didn't know that. Yep, there was a wedding dress. She'd already picked out her wedding dress and everything.
Traffic lights anyway.
You know, dude, they're doing their best.
They're doing their best, but
We're asking a lot of them. Are you gonna turn or what are you doing? What are you? Okay, did you just? What are you doing?
No, he's trying to get into this garage. Nope.
Oh my god, dude!
Yeah, and he would like almost come to a stop.
Yeah,
and
so I go around him, and then he'd fucking. I'm going around you quickly. Before you do it again.
Here to help you to solve all your algebra problems.
Yeah, man. Good. All right.
What if a parent was just obsessed with that? Like, I don't know, obsessed with alliteration or something. It was like, this is Sciencey Susan. She's gonna be your science tutor.
Okay. Really? Really?
Yeah, that Nissan, the one behind you.
Jesus,
clearly,
guys, this is not a lane.
Yeah. There's a
Oh, and
white
they're
car
fucking,
behind you now.
they're running the light too. They just went past.
There, alright? See you guys next time.